Welcome everyone at the following for our channels. All customers, how do you do everyone? I love you for all of you at the following for my channels. And the my title of the today is some as the learning at about how you following your friend or the female friend if one person is if the other person is call for hers how you follow for your friend, so and also how your contact for hers at the phone. So following me everyone's, I am starting for the today learning. So all of you as the following me, please. First I am searching the phone. So after that touching the star one times, and also two one star, and also at one time is you taking for your friend phones. So and also writing for your phone numbers. For examples, at this time I'm taking the my friend phones, so I'm writing my phones. So at this time my phone is 0928183976. After that star, and also at the end using the masala. So after that I'm calling. Call forward connection is problem or invalid SMM. So at this time connection is not there. The problem is the connection. If the connection is there, at the call forward is successful. It says. So if it is successful says, so it is contact for your phone, and the her friend of phone is contact. So after that, if you are voluntary or the need of the cancel of that phone, so some messages come into the Ethio Telecom. So after that you are opening that message, so you are canceling uh, your phones. So after that turn off it there around that. So if you are touching for turning off, at already it is cancelled. So you are using for this simplest formula if you are voluntary. And also enough for today our lessons. So thank you all of you, I love you. So please don't forget to subscribe my channels, so and also like and also share your friend. So thank you all of you, I love you, thank you. Iya, ini dia. Kan ini dia tekan masukan. Love. Oromo antai. Antia sabine me salat.
Upload አንተ ያንተ ፖዚሽን ነው የምሰራው። አፕሎድ ያደረገ ብቻ ነው የሚወጣ። አንቺን ያውለት ያደርግልናል። ኧረ ችግር የለውም። ችግር የለውም።